Okay, so now we have these basic figures, right? And let's see now the lines of action, right? What happens in here? So this is going to be the hitting, right? This guy's gonna get hit with a big stick, right? And these two guys, so these are this is a line of action, right? This is also a line of action, right? This guy here is arched like this, right? Line of action, right? This guy here is going that way, right? Line of action, right? This is a line of action here and here. See that? All the line of action of the composition. Look how beautiful they are, right? They create a great sense of dynamism. Then there is one more big, these are all physical line of action, right? Then there is this major, now I'm gonna use the sharpener, sorry for the noise. This is more psychological, right? That this action is what he's thinking he's going to do and what he knows he's going to do, right? And we have this gaze, right? It's psychological because you see the gaze. I should have done this here, from gaze to gaze, see that, here to here, right? So that is psychological, that's intention, right? This is happening, this is about to happen, and it's in their head. It's the future action. This is the present action. So you can see how, in this case in here, we have this mix of past, present, and future, right? The past is that this guy was knocked down somehow, right? And the wrestling, and this guy now is on top of him. We can extrapolate this from this scene here. The present is all this explosion of lines, right? The movement of this guy going this way, this guy going this way, this, and then actually this is also future. See, that is also future, but this is physical. And then we have the future. So this is gonna happen, and we know that. And this is now the intention. It's not physical. This is the intention, right? So and it's going to happen. We know what's going to happen, but they are communicating with each other with those gaze. So that gaze, and that is probably the most touching part of the drawing, right?